Hello, creative people! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to draw and rock in watercolor step by step. The secret isn't in the color, but in how the light embraces the rock's facets. I'll be using 2H, 4B, and 6B pencils. Let's start with the sketch. We'll begin the sketch with the 2H pencil. I want to draw a cluster of stacked rocks, so I'll start with an oval shape for the main rock, and then other ovals below it to represent the smaller stones supporting the larger one. To prevent the drawing from looking flat on the paper, we must remember that rocks are rarely perfectly round. They have edges and irregularities. I'll add a smaller pebble right here on top. Now let's imagine the folds and cracks in the rock and start drawing them. If you enjoy today's topic, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. I'm going to shade this rock formation with graphite in a very simple way, just so we can understand how light and shadow are essential when composing an element of nature. Imagining the light source is coming from the top left, we'll start adding the shadow areas. This is how our rock gains volume. I teach the technique for this rock and other natural elements in my book, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step-by-Step. This book is a complete guide to trees, rocks, trunks, shrubs, and moss. It's available on Amazon, and for Kindle Unlimited and Prime members, it's currently free. Go ahead and grab yours. The link to purchase is in the description. I've drawn this same set of rocks on a larger scale so we can use watercolors. If you don't like drawing, you can download the line art on my blog. It's completely free and you don't need to sign up for anything. I'll leave the link in the video description. All done. We've created our rock formation from start to finish. What did you think? Was it easy or difficult? Do you think we managed to create volume? Comment below, which other element of nature do you find most difficult to paint? I'd love to know so I can plan the next script. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own watercolor works. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for our weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time, and thanks for watching until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.